Coming to Ariana's 4th birthday party. You guys do not have to come, but everybody there, and I'm very grateful for that. Nobody have no office say? Okay, okay, have no office say? Daniel have no office say?
Happy birthday to Aisha.
Happy birthday, Ariana. Wish you many, many more to come and lots of prosperity and blessings.
Ari, Ari, can't wait. Nobody else have nothing else to say.
Happy birthday, Ariana. We always long life and happiness.
Alright, so wait, who have lighter? Wait, lighter. Alright, so we're gonna sing the happy birthday song and make sure blow out our cake, and then we're gonna pray and just start eat. Yeah. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ari. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Alright, Arya, blow the cake now. Come, stand up, Arya, blow your cake. Alright.
After 3
Why you shot? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright then, Arya, go cut it now. Aisha, you want help her? Alright, both out now. On the mark, get set, go! Yeah! Alright, go see again. Go, one more time. Yeah, wait. On the mark, get set, go. Yay! Gonna cut it. Alright, wait, give me money, cut it. Alright, Aisha, see this. Wait, no, see it there. Alright, so we're gonna start sharing food stuff now so everybody can. Somebody carry this thing, please. Bring everyone there. One on the table, me I bring out see cups them there. 3 star.